This thing is gorgeous. Got a six barrel setup, tri-power. Good Lord. Look at the detail under the hood on the fender liners and stuff, guys. Beautiful car. It's a green with a little gray in it, or a lot of gray in it. I guess you call it a gunmetal green. It's got the 8 lug. The 8 lug. Look at that. God, this is gorgeous. Woo. And it's a stick.
Over here.
Man. I think this is a Catalina. Is it Catalina? Yes. Catalina. Look at the trim up here. Oh yeah, I can read. This car is straight. You look down the side of it.
We're finishing up the Hall of Fame members autograph session, and we will be shortly moving into the Hall of Fame induction ceremony in the West Wing.
Beautiful.
Through these 2 double doors right here in this corner of the Coliseum with the Shriners Hillbilly car.
Check out that little air compressor. Ain't that something? I like the way the valve covers match the air covers.
My brother-in-law.
That is neat.
Yeah,